Ahoy there, engineers and oily rag enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel, where we explore why the engine room is hot, loud, dangerous, and one of the most important places on the ship. Today we're opening the watertight door to COSWP Part 3, Chapter 7 Machinery Spaces. Because when you're surrounded by spinning shafts, roaring engines, and enough steam to brew tea for a fleet, you want to know what you're doing. Let's dive in. COSWP defines machinery spaces as any area where mechanical or electrical equipment is installed and operated, including main engine rooms, auxiliary machinery rooms, steering gear compartments, pump rooms, workshop spaces, generator rooms, and anywhere else with moving, rotating, or pressurized systems. Basically, if it clanks, spins, pumps, or buzzes, treat it with respect. These areas are full of potential hazards. COSWP highlights: noise can exceed safe hearing levels. Hello, ear defenders. Heat hot surfaces, steam, scalding liquids, rotating parts, shafts, fans, belts, pulleys, slips, trips and falls, spilled oil, water, cluttered decks, electrical hazards, live systems and high voltage, crushing or entanglement, especially during maintenance, fire risk, fuel, lube oil, and heat in close quarters. The engine room's not just dangerous because it's noisy, it's dangerous because it's full of hidden and high-energy risks. Under COSWP, you don't just wander into a machinery space. You must be authorized and trained, wear appropriate PPE, boiler suit, gloves, ear protection, helmet, boots, notify someone before entry, especially if you're going solo, and understand the layout, hazards, and controls. Don't go exploring the steering flat like it's a ghost ship. It's not spooky, it's just deadly. COSWP outlines the golden rules for working safely in machinery spaces. Conduct risk assessments. Use safe systems of work. Ensure good ventilation, especially during fuel handling or chemical use. Keep areas well lit and clean. Don't leave tools or materials where they could fall or get caught in machinery. Never bypass guards or interlocks. If you need to remove a guard, stop the machinery, isolate it, and lock it out first. Before you carry out any maintenance, isolate power and any stored energy, whether it's hydraulics, pneumatics, or steam. Apply lockout/tagout devices. Use a permit to work if you are entering enclosed engine spaces, opening pressurized systems, performing hot work, or working alone. And remember, if you didn't lock it out yourself, don't trust it's safe. The engine room is loud, so clear communication is vital. Use radios or hand signals. Ensure someone always knows your location. Never work alone on high-risk machinery. Always brief others before switching systems on. Supervision isn't just for cadets. Even experienced engineers need an extra set of eyes when the job's complex or high risk. Know your escape routes. Know your fire points. Know your shutdown systems. COSWP requires that emergency exits are clear and accessible. Crew are trained in fire, flooding and injury response, and alarms, extinguishers, and sprinklers are in working order. Because when things go wrong in machinery spaces, they go wrong fast and hot. COSWP's message is loud and clear, just like the engine room. Machinery spaces present serious hazards and must be entered and worked in only by competent, authorized personnel using safe systems of work. It's not about fear. It's about respecting the space, understanding the risks, and never getting complacent. So to wrap up COSWP Part 3, Chapter 7, machinery spaces are high risk. Treat them that way. Only trained personnel should enter or work in them. PPE, good housekeeping, and supervision save lives. Lockout, permit to work, and proper communication are essential. And if something doesn't feel right, stop and reassess. Give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with the one crewmate who thinks the engine room is just a bit loud. Next up, Chapter 8, Hot Work, where we learn why sparks and fuel tanks don't mix. Until then, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep your fingers, face, and limbs out of moving parts.